Hi guys, it's Andy, the GD script dude here with an update on what projects I'm going to produce next in the GD script tutorial series. It's going to be based on an old school game called Defender. It was a side scroller with furious action, blasting away at enemies that were trying to destroy colonies on Earth. I've been experimenting with some code recently, and let's have a quick play of this. See, it's procedurally generating the terrain of the planet's surface, and you see that it's like mountainous stuff up and down, and then there's these flat areas. On the flats, we're going to procedurally, that's the key word going to be in this new series, we're going to put like moon bases and colonies and little like maybe defense posts like firing and bunkers and things, you know, on these flat bits. It'll be pretty fun. And the enemies are going to be coming from outer space. They're going to be coming down and like destroying stuff. And in Defender, there's like a window onto the world showing you what's going on, like a radar map kind of thing. And you'll be flying around. This is the placeholder for the ship that you are in to defend the planet and shoot. So you'll either be at the left side or the right side, and that will determine the direction of flow of the scrolling. And yeah, you're going to see what's going on, the damage, and you're going to figure out, oh, I got to go over there quickly to defend that place, and then go back and stuff. So it's going to be pretty cool. And there's going to be a lot of like coding stuff, algorithms and procedural, that is the key word for this one. So I look forward to producing this tutorial series in the playlist. So see you